Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Tool Lodge, custom tool organization. T-Dot Performance, your source for performance parts, car accessories, body kits, and all your performance needs. And by Rogue Fabrication, helping you build your business with the right tools.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Well, Chuck, at Hellraiser Performance, you find that a lot of folks come to you with brand new Hemis and they're having big problems. What are they talking about?
They want more power and they want it to go fast and reliable.
Gotcha. Reliability seems to be a problem.
Correct.
What's going wrong with some of the new transmissions?
This is the 8HP90. It's designed. It's the new 8 speeds that are in all the 2015 plus. We did a quick teardown here. This is the culprit here, the factory E-clutch hub. It's made of cast aluminum. It likes to shear off the hub here after around 1,100 foot-pounds of torque.
Not just the splines, just tearing the whole hub
It
off.
shows the whole splines off right off the hub.
Man.
And then you lose second and third real quick.
It's a big problem.
And then you're wondering, what the hell, what happened? And then here's our upgraded piece. It's made of a billet steel, fully machined out of one piece. And it's more heavier duty, and it also has a much pronounced ringland to accommodate extra factory clutches and steels to add more gripping force.
Now, what are we talking about here, materials-wise? Now, that's pretty beefy here. Let's see. What's the
As a cast aluminum.
Cast aluminum.
And as a billet steel.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
Yes, big difference.
That'll really add to the reliability as
Yes.
well. Now, what else here? You have the clutches here.
This is the clutch stack. This is the factory clutch stack here. It uses normally 6 to 7 clutches, depending on the model. You see here, they burned up pretty good. What we've done with that, we use a Best's GPZ clutch with an added clutch and steel to the factory stack up. And then we obviously replace all new seals, gaskets, O-rings. And we add that to the new drum, air check everything, reassemble, and they're usually good. They're good to go.
And adding the extra clutch, what does that do for performance?
It adds more surface area, which adds more clamping force, so where the clutches can't slip.
And you're also dissipating heat better because
correct. It's also dissipating heat better. It's able to get more fluid lubrication.
Which leads us to this little piece that you brought.
Yes, this little jewel here, it's great. It's not necessarily great for the everyday driver, especially in cold winter. But what it does, it allows you to drop the fluid temperatures when you're at the track. This is what goes in the cooler lines. It's a thermostat bypass valve that eliminates the problematic valve in the thermostat inside here, which usually likes to stick or get dirty and clogged, and prevents lubrication going to the cooler and back to the transmission, which can increase fluid temperatures up over 230 degrees. And with this baby here, we've actually seen it drop down to a consistent 160, 170 while at the track.
That's really dramatic.
With back-to-back burnouts and track pulls.
Where are people buying your products? How have they found you?
Well, most of our sales are done through the forums and online and our websites and social media. Obviously, Facebook and Instagram, and there's a big factor in that. And they see our products winning the races, and they want to know how they can do it too.
Chryslers are popular the world over. Everybody loves a Hemi.
Yes.
Where are folks buying your products?
All over the world. We got them from the United States, Australia, Middle East, Canada. Obviously, Puerto Rico, we even see them. But a lot of them, we get the guys in Australia love them.
Well, the folks in Australia are smart, and they know that a little bit of an investment on the front end is going to save you a lot of heartache in the long run. So check them out at hellraisertransmission.com. Well, thus ends another half hour of innovation and cool products. And if you have a product you want to see on our show, email Jeff at masterstv.com because he wants to hear from you. We thank you for joining us this week, and we're going to do it again next week, so be sure to join us here at the same time on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. So long.